Okay, so hi guys, welcome to this video. This time I'll go ahead and talk about how you will be putting data fields in all of your contacts. So depending on your needs, you may want to customize whatever information you need from your lead. For example, on our end, we need the first name, last name, full name, company name, email, phone number. So whatever things you need and whatever information is listed on your CSV file when uploading your list and creating a campaign, um, you can go ahead and customize that one. When you're new to the dialer, there is no field that is put in. You'd have to manually enter all of the fields in your contacts. So where do we go? We just simply go to the admin. This is the admin button. So click that one, and here you would be able to see on the top part setup database field. Now, we already have put in the information that we need for each campaign. Uh, Basically, obviously you'd have to get the phone number. And again, depending on your need, you can go ahead and customize all of the information here by simply typing the name of the field that you want to put in. So let's say, for example, you wanted to put contact name, which is already here. No worries about that. And then you hit add field, and do not forget to save to hit save. And then a pop-up button will show up, and it will say database save, and it should be able to automatically pop up now every time a call comes in. So look at this one. These are the fields that will be filled out once a call comes in. All of the information will be put in here. One tip though, because some of the lists that you will be uploading, sometimes their first name and last name is they're both separated. So what you may want to do is, aside from putting the contact name, you put in first and last name, just so in case you have a CSV file that has a separate first and last name. So I guess that's it, and thank you so much. Have a great day.